In this video, we're going to go over transitions really quick. You'll see that I have a 16 scene video here. So I just created some very basic scenes and I placed transitions between each one. And I'm going to show you where to do that and how to do that. So over here in your side panel on the right, you'll see all of the scenes are listed. And in between each one is your transition bar. Okay, and all you do is you select a transition from the list. And I went ahead and did these all in order, same order that they appear in the menu. So you get to see each one. So we've got slide down, arrows right, base, circle attack, collapsing circles, diagonal curtains, glitch, octo, orange circle, pixelated, two circles, vision, worms, and then I just have none for the last one. Thanks for watching.